I will do one example and then you guys can have a go. So here we're going to have two numbers multiplying each other. So a number times another number. We're allowed to put any number into here. So I'm just going to choose a random number. Minus, I don't know, minus 7. Okay, and then over here I'm going to have a positive number, 2. Okay, this is saying, what is minus 7 times 2? What is that? Well, here we would just do 7 times 2 as normal, which is 14, and then we would look at the sign. Now remember, if there's a negative and a positive, well that's one, isn't it? One negative, so the answer would be negative. If you have a positive and a negative, well that would become well only one negative, so whatever the answer is, it's going to be a negative answer. Suppose you have a negative and a negative, well the answer is it would be a positive. Okay, if it's a positive and a positive, that's just like me saying what is 7 times 2, so it's normal. The answer would be 4. Well, the answer, whatever the answer is, would be a positive answer, because 7 times 2 would be 14, so you just leave it as 14. You don't bother writing plus 14. Okay, so back to this, it would be 7 times 2 as normal, and then you would look at the sign. Because there's only one negative, then the answer would be a negative. Okay, so now your turn. Now any two number times another number here. So let's say 5 times negative, let's say 8. Okay, this is like me saying 5 times negative 8. If I were to leave it like this, we would have 5 times minus 8. That looks really confusing. So we would use the brackets here, just to say that the minus belongs to the 8. So it's 5 times minus 8. What is that? So press pause and have a go. So here you just get 5 times 8, which is 40. And because there's only one negative here, there's one negative, so the answer would be a negative 40. Okay, so that would be our answer. So here, any number here, multiply with another number. Okay, let's put minus 3 in here, and let's put I don't know, minus 9 in here. So here, minus 3 times minus 9. Sometimes you would see brackets around here. Sometimes you don't. So it's because the minus here belongs to the 3. We already know that. Over here, you would need the brackets because you've got times and then a minus. That's really confusing. Two signs next to each other. Over here, it's just one sign, so you know that the minus belongs to the 3. Over here, you've got times and then a minus. So it's really confusing. Two signs next to each other. So we would use this. Okay, brackets. So basically, it's minus 3 times bracket minus 9. Okay, we can put the brackets around here, but we don't bother because well, there's no other sign in front of this minus. So just leave it as that. So here, okay, so what is minus 3 times minus 9? What is that? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so 3 times 9, which is 27. Okay, now because there's a minus here and a minus here. Two minuses, that would be a positive. So it would be 27. Okay, let's give you this one here. A number multiply with another number. Okay, let's say minus 5 and a positive 6. What is that? So that's me saying minus 5 times 6. What is that? Press pause and have a go. Okay, so it's 5 times 6, which is 30, and because there's a 1 negative, so it will be a negative. Okay, what is this one then? A number times another number. Let's say let's say 2 times minus 9. What is that? So it's basically 2 times minus 9. What is that? So press pause and have a go. So 2 times 2, just do the numbers normal. So that would be 18. 2 times 9 is 18. There's only one negative, so the answer would be a negative. Okay? So this one here, what is 3, positive 3, okay, times, let's say positive 10. What is that? So it's basically 3. We could put a positive in here. We could put a positive 10 in here, but we don't bother. Just write this. Basically, what is positive 3 times positive 10? Press pause and have a go. Well, this is quite easy. It's what we're always used to. So it's 3 times times 10, which is 30. Now, because it's positive here, so that makes it a positive. So it's basically just 30. Okay. This one here, minus 2 times, let's say, minus 11. What is that? So it's minus 2 times minus 11. So press pause and have a go. So it's 2 times 11, that's normal, which is 22. And because there's a negative and then negative, so that makes it a positive. So it's just 22. Okay?